Hello to all my beautiful people. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria Teresa and today we are going to do my full skincare routine. I think that this is important for you to watch if you have a similar skin color as me. I find that when you have a tan skin color, for example me, I scar very easily, and I have a combination of dry and oily skin, mostly dry. And in some areas my skin is very oily and like I still break out. So I think that this is going to be a valuable video for you in order for you to see which products I use that are not abrasive to my skin and how I really keep my skin glowing and not being hyperpigmented, and yeah, basically my day to day. I think that this is the perfect moment to film this video because if you see things are moving around, it's because I'm on a sailboat in the middle of the Caribbean, so you know we are moving, and I've actually been on it now for a couple of days. So I have been actually going into the sea a lot, taking a lot of sun, you know, just really putting my skin through some toughness. And what I'm going to show you now is actually what I do every 2 days to make sure that my skin stays hydrated and beautiful. I just came out of the shower and I got dressed. I'm wearing a sports bra and I just threw this jacket on because it's a little bit cold in the room. So let's start. The first thing I always start off with is with Cetaphil. This is what I use to wash my face. You can get this in any of your local pharmacies. It's very delicate to your skin and it doesn't remove, you know, your essential oils that you have in your skin. It doesn't strip your skin. So this is what I use to take off my makeup as well. And right now obviously I have no makeup on because I just showered, but I made it a point not to, you know, put product in my face. So after, we're gonna wash the face really well with this, and it's important for me to do this a couple of times a day because I am wearing a lot of SPF. So I put like SPF 50 and SPF 30 on top of the 50, and I do this every, you know, hour and a half because the sun in the Caribbean is really strong and I want to protect my skin. So at the end of the day, it's important for me to wash my face very well and remove everything, because if not, the sunblock can clog my pores. So after we do that, we're just gonna wash our face. Now that I've washed my face and it's still a little bit damp, I'm gonna go in with this exfoliating scrub. It's from Mario Badescu and is a botanical exfoliating scrub. I just put a tiny amount like this. It's kind of like the size, a little bit bigger than a pearl. And I am going to gently do circulating motions on my face. And the reason, like, I get around my lips really well because I use a lot of lipstick and lip gloss and lip moisturizer, and believe it or not, that gives me like little blackheads around my lips if I'm not constantly removing all that residue from it. Now we are going to rinse that off. I get so dehydrated being out in the sun all the time. There's something super important. You can put a bunch of things to your skin outside, but if you don't drink a lot of water in the day, your skin is never gonna be like glowing and looking healthy. You also have to green juice. You need to give your cells nutrients in order for them to glow. If you just eat, you know, fast food and like processed foods every day, and then you do a lot of skincare, outer skincare to your skin, don't expect it to glow because it does come from the inside. You're just helping it a little bit from the outside. Right, so now that that's off my face, now I'm gonna go in with this toner from Mario Badescu, is Witch Hazel and Lavender Toner. This is very important because this is going to remove all the residues that are in your skin that the soap didn't remove. So I'm just going to pour a bit of this in a cotton pad And I'm basically just going to gently pass it all through my skin, my neck, my lips. Honestly, look, like I didn't do this yesterday, and I didn't like go through a very thorough cleansing skin cleansing process. So right here today you can see that I am getting a pimple on my lip, and this is definitely from, you know, the sunblock and everything I put on through the day clogging my pores. So my skin is very sensitive. I really need to stay on top of it. So even though I washed my face and I just came out of the shower, let me show you why this process is so important. Look at this. Okay, like, okay, yes, it's white, but it's still, it has a little bit like dark situation here. That is residue of something, and that is what clogs the pores. I'm gonna go in with this aloe, herbs, and rose water, and this is just like a facial spray that's gonna give me like a little bit of moisture. Right, so that's there. Next, we're going to go into my little miracle pouch here. This is from 1 Skin. This is incredible. I absolutely love these products. This is from a dermatologist in London. He has his own skincare brand, but you can also order this online and get these in the United States. You guys, this is like the holy grail. So let's open that up, and we're gonna open it up, and oof, I love all the product that this has inside. Actually, these basically I just put under my eyes like this. Oh, this feels incredible, by the way. Here, right, first I put these eye patch on. This is really going to reduce all the fine lines underneath my eyes. I mean, it's just not gonna let them come out because I'm literally just rehydrating and nourishing that skin underneath my eyes. And this is particularly amazing for when you wake up with those puffy eyes, which happens to me very often, and that means I'm not drinking enough water that day. These are really an essential for my skin when I need to really like wake it up and give it a very in-depth treatment of moisturizing. And I actually buy these. I buy these by the bulk, but also when it's my birthday, my friends give me this. My girlfriend Filipa actually gave me this last year for my birthday, and it had a lot of treatments in there, and then I have just always kept the bag because it reminds me of her. So now we're going to put this one in, and this one I love. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Mask Treatment. I take this and I apply it over my face. You're only supposed to use one at a time, but whatever, I pop up. You're only supposed to really use one at a time, but I pile it on. I like to use the eye cream. I like to use the eye patches underneath this mask. That way it's faster, and I just love. After I put this on, I'm gonna put on my LED mask with red light, which actually is going to activate the collagen in my skin. Then I will put this mask on. I will put this mask on, and I will just let everything absorb into my skin with this red light. This red light is going to activate the collagen production in my skin, and it's actually going to allow all these products to absorb better into the skin. I'm only supposed to do this like every couple of days, but I honestly put this mask on every single day. I've now had this on for about 20 minutes. I'm going to just, for the sake of it, show you the different light colors. So you have the red, which is the one I always use, is for like collagen production. Then you have the purple one, you have the pink one, and yeah. So now I am going to remove this. Okay. This is what the mask looks like inside. It basically has a lot of little LED lights, and this is like a gel. So when you finish using it, you definitely have to wash that out, and it's super comfortable. I got this one on Amazon, but my friends have this one, so I know that it's a very good one. I'm going to leave the link down below in case you want to check it out. Now I'm going to remove this. Yes. You can see what my skin is looking like right now. It's just very hydrated. It wasn't like this when I first put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face now. Now I am going to put on some moisturizing cream on top of this, like a daylight moisturizing cream, and I actually have two of them. It depends on the day. This one is by Kiehl's, and this is called Rosa Antarctica. This is Youth Regenerating Cream with Rare Resurrection Flower. This is very dense, it's thick, so it really is to really hydrate my skin. And this one, I love it, is by Terry. This is a cellular rose stem cells daily cream. I'm going to put this one on right now because it's less heavy, and oh my god, and this smells so beautiful. It smells like roses. Oh my god, it's like rose, the most gorgeous, beautiful, light smell. I love it. So I'm going to really, a little bit of this just lasts you such a long time. So I'm putting on this on my face. I'm going to also put it in my neck, and I'm going to come back in and check with you guys at night, because right before I go to sleep I will apply another product, and I want you guys to see what my full skincare routine is. I'm going to stop the video here now, and I'm just going to go carry on with the rest of my day, and I will come back and I will check in with you guys tonight. Hello again. It's 8:30 at night. I have been out in the sun all day today, just running around the boat, doing water sports, going in the water. I mean, my skin has been exposed to salt water, sun, so I've just taken a shower and I'm gonna apply my nighttime skin care. First thing is, I already washed my face with the Cetaphil to get rid of all the sunblock that I have put through the day. And I have also applied the witch hazel and lavender toner to remove any type of residue that is left in my skin. Now so this here is what I have been using now for a while. I'm going to apply this vitamin C serum, which very much nourishes my skin, and I am going to just put like a good amount of it, and I'm gonna put that on my face. I'm going to put this on my face, and I'm going to let that soak in, because I normally don't get burned. I don't even know what getting burned feels like, but my shoulders are burning. So yes, being in the sea in a sailboat, I think I've taken really good care of my skin with the sunblock and everything, keeping it moisturized. But yesterday I spent like 2 hours on deck while we were sailing without any sunblock. So I will let this apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put cream as well. I'm going to use this one by Kiehl's. Is Youth Regenerating Cream, and trust me, I need all the regenerating there is out there. I'm gonna put a huge chunk of this in my face. See, like this. Oh my god, oh my god, this feels good. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put the face mask again on the LED light. I'm gonna do that for a bit. Oh my god, thank god. I mean, you're only supposed to put it on once a day, but I put it on twice a day. I just feel like the product really penetrates better when I put it on. Where is my mask?
I'll come back.
So, my mask on. I'm gonna put on the red light, and then I'm just going to let this do its thing. That is done, and now my skin is completely hydrated and ready for a really good night's sleep. You can see what my skin looks like. It's basically very hydrated. It doesn't feel tight anymore. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't burn anymore, which is the most important thing. And basically when I wake up with this, my skin is so radiant and beautiful. I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this skincare routine. Well, my skin is super moisturized. It feels very, very plump. It doesn't feel dry anymore or burnt. This is my full skincare routine on a daily basis. Aside from this, I do have plasma facials done to my face once a month, and I also have vitamin C that is injected under my skin dermis. That way it really resurfaces all the baby cells in my skin, because I live in a place that has a lot of sun, and I am always in the beach, and I am always just very exposed to heat and sun and salt water, so I have to take extra care of my skin. Additional to what you have seen in this video, I drink a lot of water. I have a healthy nutrition. I eat a lot of greens, and I also drink green juice, and all of this really helps to keeping your skin in the best state as possible, glowing and fresh. I will leave in the comment section below the list of all the products and all the process and my green juices that I drink, in case that you are interested in doing the same recipe at home. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I see you next time. Bye.